In this video, I will unbox the MSD Power Grid Ignition part number 7720. Here is a quick view of the outside of the box. Please pause the video here to read the back of the box. Cut the two pieces of tape at the top of the box in order to open it. This is the ignition module. This is the harness for the ignition module. The harness connects here. This is the parts bag. Included in the parts bag are the 4 vibration mounts, along with other supplied hardware and electrical connectors. Please pause the video here if you would like to read this letter from MSD. Please pause the video here if you would like to read the first page of the instructions. Please use the link with this video to download all applicable technical resources for this product, including documents and software, from holly.com. The last remaining items in the box are 2 MSD Power Grid decals.